All right, let's go ahead and talk about this thing, which is the DJI backpack that comes with the Mavic 3 Cine version, and I think also with the second bundle that they have in here. And quite frankly, I think this is a very underrated product because it's actually quite amazing. This thing is a 3-in-1. It's a satchel like this, so you can grab it. So I don't know whatever you want to call this, but you have the ability to carry this thing. Now in here, I'm going to open it up real quick before I show you the other way you can transform this. But it closes. It's very nice. It's kind of denim fabric, I guess you can call it. And then it's got all of your stuff in here, so you can have your charger. This is the wide angle right here, and then inside right here, it actually fits our batteries. So all 3 batteries can be in here. The smart controller can go in here, nice little pocket, and it's all very soft in here, kind of a felt suede. And then the drone is right in here as well. So you can have all of your stuff all in one location, nice and close, with a nice zipper. These zippers are solid. They're not made of plastic. They're actually made of metal. So is this. This is actually metal right here. And this is, it looks like a leather on the side right here. So very, very high end. Very well designed. There's a pocket in here where you can put a bunch of stuff as well. No zipper, just close it like this. And then, like I said, this will close back right here. Now, the cool thing about this is that from here, you can turn that into something with a shoulder strap. So in the back, right here on the side, you have 2 zippers. You can pull these out of the way like this, and you notice that they extend. And then right here, you can connect to this side right here. Clip it. Again, this is a metal piece, very high-end, very well designed, very solid. And then now you get yourself a bag, if you close it correctly, that you can have on the side just like this. Okay, so nice and comfortable. This is not it. There's one more position. So I'm going to keep this the way it is right now, but I'm going to open this up right here. And look at that. If we open this right here, and again right here, this is like a transformer. Open it down. Now I can take this and attach it again, just like it was in the very first position, and lock that in place right here. And now what do I have? I actually have straps, and it's a backpack. And not only that, it's a backpack that goes in the back, but right on top right here, I have all of this space. It's massive. All of this space right here to put a shirt, a sweater, whatever you want, and then even close it. So I'm going to close it. And then now I can take this and I can attach it right here at the bottom. Now, because I have these straps, I know it's complicated, but depending on how you want to set it, you're probably going to have it in only one position. So I'm going to remove that, hide it back in here. This was just a shoulder thingy. Put it back in here. And then now I can attach this strap right here down at the bottom, and attach this strap right here also down at the bottom. And now I get myself a backpack. And here's the backpack. And even better, if you wanted to, you could take the strap right here and wrap it around your waist and have it tied right here. So you can tighten these if you want to, make it a little bit more comfortable depending on how you like your backpack, nice and close. That's it, you get your backpack and you got that extra pocket at the top. Like I said, I've put my sweater in here. I've put whatever additional stuff. If you want to put a camera in here, then you have all this room that you can put in. And it's nice and all in one piece. And when you're done, you can actually close it again. And there you have it. That's your backpack. So this thing is cool. Very, very cool. I really enjoy it. There's another little pocket right here where you can put your documents if you want to, whatever it is. That has a zipper. And yeah, there's another one right down here as well. So it goes all the way through. If you want to put this on top of your carry-on, then there you have it. All right, so that's the DJI backpack.